Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel asksupermaking. Guys, आप लोग तो जानते हैं कि इस बार लियो मेसी की टीम ने फीफा वर्ल्ड कप 2022 जीता है, यानी अर्जेंटीना ने। तो इसी बात पर मैंने ये कप बनाया है, और ये भी दोस्तों, और ये भी। तो एक तक देखते रहिए दोस्तों, क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक थोड़ा सा ड्रामा होने वाला है जो मैंने और मेरे दोस्तों ने मिलकर प्रेजेंट किया है। तो चलिए दोस्तों, मजा आने वाला है।
The ceremony, please welcome FIFA President Gianni Infantino, accompanied by dignitaries and members of the FIFA football family. And please welcome His Highness Sheikh Tamim bin Hamad Al Thani, the Emir of the State of Qatar.
The most ever in World Cup history. You saw a couple American officials coming up on the stage to receive their medals. Part of the growth of soccer, no matter what country you're in, getting the players is the thing that's right in front of your eyes, but growing managers, considering particularly what Emi Martinez did in this game alone.
All right.
Growing officials to be at an elite level is something to be proud of, and the United States making it to the round of 16, two of their finest making it to the World Cup championship game. So the Young Player Award, Landon Donovan, you won this in 2002.
The winner of the FIFA
Enzo
Young
Fernandez
Player
getting
Award
it here.
is player number 24.
Well, I stole that one, Rob. Not sure I got that. But he was fully deserving. He was terrific all tournament long.
Where do you have your award, by the way?
That's a great question. I have no idea.
How do you not know where that is?
I couldn't tell you. I have no idea. I know where my medal is, though, Deuce. Next to the match officials' medals.
You're going to get us in trouble.
21-year-old Benfica man. He might be in line for a rather large payday in the near future. Again, the January transfer window opens up in just days, January 1st.
But you were mentioning Qatar and the U.
They're chanting his name right now.
هو اللاعب رقم 10 ليونيل ميسي من منتخب الأرجنتين.
13 career World Cup goals, tied for fourth most all time. 98 international goals. And that's the one he wants. It'll be yours soon enough.
That might go viral, that picture. Don't blame him for sneaking a kiss there.
When she's that pretty,
Yeah.
you definitely sneak in a kiss. Played all 690 minutes here. And more hugs. A surprise, but hard to fully argue considering particularly what Emi Martinez did in this game alone. Oh no.
That was an interesting look. All right.
بجائزة كرة أديداس الذهبية هو اللاعب رقم 10 ليونيل ميسي من منتخب الأرجنتين.
The trophy is passed into the hands of genius. And in 2022, the world champions are Argentina.
दोस्तों मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। अगर अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।